guys, me and Josh are on a side quest today. We're getting some nice exhaust for him. What are you getting?
Invidia N1, just the cans.
Just the cans. Getting it for his legacy. There it is.
It's gonna cost me a whole $5 to fill this thing up.
Ooh. Gassing up the daily right now to go on the road trip to get Josh's nice new exhaust. Look at that. 10 gallons for $32.
$30, my legacy.
Yeah, literally. More. Me and Josh are all snacked up. We each got the electrolyte beverage and a protein bar. We got the new father with his fresh purchase.
Invidia guy didn't know what, nice guy, didn't know what he had, bro. Cut a little short, but they got that.
Yeah, let me see the cut. Show the cut.
Yeah, we got that.
Just sawed that thing right off, dude.
I was hoping, at least there's a little bit of material here left, but yeah, gonna have our best exhaust shop in the state, Bay State, welded onto the current one. Gonna have a nice Invidia N1 axle back, a little dented.
Show the dent. A
Do
little
we
bit dented.
care?
Looks good to me.
Looks good to me. Can always put a new tep on. May get rid of the burner, the color. The
Yeah, I don't know
color's
how I feel about the color.
kind of goofy, but good exhaust. $200. I think I ripped the guy off.
Great purchase.
Great purchase. We are gonna have to. They are gonna have to change the hangers up though.
Happens though. They're used to it.
They're used to it though. Because the hangers are like boop boop. All right.
Let's head home. We're on the way home. We're almost back. It started snowing fucking buckets. This is the blizzard that everybody missed.
Look at this daily driver fuel economy, baby.
32.7 miles per gallon. Beautiful.
Bro, we had that a homeless dude knocking on the window, bro, asking for a cigarette and some money, bro. I was like, me? Nah. Picked up those Invidia exhausts. Nice. Driving. It's fucking. No one knows how to drive in New England when it's snowing outside, which is pretty sad. Most of these cars are all-wheel drive. They should know how to drive. Going 46 and a 55. Pretty sad.
We just got back. It's snowing like a motherfucker. We're gonna try the nice new exhausts over on the old tips. Wow, double mufflered up. Sounds nice. We like?
Invidia sexy nice.
I'm gonna get them welded up tomorrow. So we can get some actual sound clips.
Hopefully get them welded up.
Hopefully get them welded up tomorrow. Now I gotta brush this thing off. Yay. Gotta brush off my car in Crocs right now. This is awful. But we never actually mentioned at all that I bought this. But just recently picked this up in like December. It's a 96 Legacy GT. It's right-hand drive. OEM twin turbo. It's kind of a rot box, but it's cool. Like it. It's a nice daily. But yeah, brushing the snow off of this thing right now. Getting the snow all in my fucking shoes. But yeah. What's up, guys? Day 2. We're taking Josh's car to the exhaust shop right now to get the new mufflers welded in, and then we can see what that nice new Invidia exhaust sounds like.
Please don't forget me.
Exhaust is all set. We're heading back now. We're gonna pay, and then we're gonna get a nice first start with the new mufflers.
Sounds the same.
think it has the STI fenders. But we've been going back and forth with them for a little bit. Got the shit out of that guy.
Bye-bye. My WRX with my STI wing is very slow. Buddy, you need a EJ to be faster!
This is the life of the cameraman. I'm just sitting here on the side of the road in the middle of the night waiting for Josh to come back around so I can take a cool video of him flying by. It's my life.